Yo, we're back with another video. Let's see. I've decided I'm going to lock in. I will follow every rule that I have for myself. I will not enter a trade 5 minutes into market open. Well, I'll only look for an entry after 5 minutes of market open at least. So what happened yesterday doesn't happen again. Because, bro, I went on TikTok. Everybody caught those longs except for me because I just entered way too early. It was such a nice entry after mine. Let me see if I can find it. Because I entered way too early, somewhere around here. Let's see. Set chart. So yeah, we retraced into a fair value gap. I entered like on this closure, even though it didn't even break structure. And yeah, I should have waited. No, that wasn't it. Where did I enter from? I completely forgot. But it was super early. What I should have waited for is this inverse fair value gap entry right here. So I should have gone long there with a stop below these lows, targeting all that buy side liquidity. And look at that fucking trails. I would have recovered my account from drawdown and shit, but that's not what happened. I entered early, maybe out of FOMO, I don't know what. I thought I saw my strap play out, even though in the first minute that's not really possible. So yeah, lesson learned. Now we're back. Today's bias, I'm not gonna lie, I've got no clue. We're in this opening gap that I wanted to trade into, but you know, happened yesterday. So we tapped that. On ES we inversed it even, but on NQ, I mean on ES we didn't inverse it. We're still like in the midpoint. NQ we inversed it. So maybe I'm more bearish on NQ. So what I'd want to see, let's see, equilibrium, where we at? Okay, right now we're above 0.78. So maybe a closure below equilibrium after sweeping up this liquidity, and it can move down. That would be a nice little, oh, it has to be on this side actually. Okay, so yeah, I move up, tap into that closure below equilibrium. I think I'll be bearish, but we shall see. Market opens in 2 minutes, 46 seconds. I'll take the trade on ES because that's the more bearish pair. And I'll be looking for, I guess, these lows. I retrace into high time frame equilibrium. Or it could be going even lower to sweep out all of these. Maybe not today, but for the rest of the week. Or yeah, it could just be an equilibrium move before moving up higher to take out all-time highs again. But the next round liquidity on ES is just all the way up there. I'm not really seeing that happening today. And even on NQ is way high up there. So yeah, we shall see what happens on market open. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. What do I want to see though? I don't even know what I want to see. So it could as well be bullish, and this could be continuation. So it could just get 5-minute manipulation before continuing up. Oh, I hate days like this when I don't have a clear bias, because I just get blinded by both directions when the market opens. Yeah, look at this big ass fucking, god damn, what happened there? Probably Trump masturbating or something. Let's see what happens today. Any news actually? I haven't even checked that. Oh wait, that was today. We have red folder news at 3 p.m. Okay, we have to be careful of that. There was red folder news at 1:30 as well. Did that move the market or anything? Okay, we have data lows here that haven't been swept. And hella equal lows. Where's that data low? 1:30. Yeah. So yeah, we could maybe get that. Once we get that, I'll wait for breakdown, retrace, and then boom, target these lows maybe, and even equilibrium as a high time frame trade. We shall see. How long till market opens? 37 seconds. Yeah, man. I'm sick of not following my rules. It's time that I actually started trading, you know. It's true that no matter what strategy you use, you will be profitable if you just follow it to the T. Every day you get on the charts, look for your strategy. If it plays out, take the trade. If it doesn't, don't take it. Don't force the trade without your strategy. Don't not enter a trade when your strategy plays out, unless you have reasons not to. I've decided to just lock in, bro. Not enough. They're instantly selling off. Looks like we're about to sweep data lows already. Okay, what's the move if we sweep data lows though? What can we do? Because we're about to do it right now. Now we have a bullish S&T on ES. Okay, we got data lows. That gave us an SMT. So ES is now the more bullish one. That's confusing me a bit. I don't like the writing on it. Let me just leave it with no writing. This could be a continuation trade. Just got that manipulation of the lows. ES is still up there. That's a big S&T. Is it going to start going up now? Damn, it is. But where is ES going to target? Look, like, what the fuck am I looking at? Is he just trying to fill this gap? Because there's literally nothing to go for, bro. Unless he just wants to dig all the way up there. Yeah, man, I'm lost. I don't know what to do here. If this was a continuation trade, we got our sweep of a 5-minute and an S&T. So we would wait for 1-minute confirmation, like an inverse fair value gap or some sort, so a break of structure. So it would be all the way up there that the break would have to happen. Would enter like there, stop below that low. But you know, I don't trust this because it's a weird day today. I don't really have a clear draw on liquidity, so I can't really take that. If I were to, there, all the way up there, goddamn. 1 to 6 though, come on now. 1 minute. Oh, did we get that break? Oh, we did. I'm not taking it. This is a very big S&T. How is NQ still moving lower while ES is moving high? Am I even looking at the right pairs? Yeah. Damn, what's going on? But yeah, I'm not trading for at least 3 minutes. We're still in that first candle open, so we shall see what happens. Maybe if we get a strong rejection off of this on NQ, that'll give me more confirmation. I'll take a trade for like a 1-minute retrace or something. I want you to love me, love me, love me. I feel hella calm right now. It's because I'm not scrambling to get into a trade like yesterday. Look at these titties. Goddamn. Boing, 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 boing. Like day today though. Damn. What's going on? Okay. Still that S&T. Is NQ going to go for that sweep down there? Respecting this 1 minute on ES. I lied. This gap. Okay, 30 seconds to the 5-minute closes. Let's see if we reject or not. White Ferrari. Okay, inverse that gap on ES. So I'm no longer looking at that. And Q looks like it's about to go lower and sweep that low. If it leaves that low there, I'm not really happy about that. And we got an opening kind of gap right there on ES. On the bullish, bear side. Okay, we could be getting that tap into equilibrium on NQ before ES moves up. Look how high this SMT still is. The only issue is that I wish this was like the other way around. So ES was doing this instead of NQ. Because at least ES has clear targets. What am I looking at here? Maybe it did just want to fill up. Okay, what does ES want to do here? It dropped even lower, so I'm guessing. Because if it wanted to reverse, it would have just been like here. But it went all the way down there. Let's check for this equilibrium. And if we did take that trade, we were about to be stopped out right there. Probably will get stopped out because ES still wants to go lower. NQ. Damn, I can never get the pairs right. Ignore my room. It's been hella messy lately. Strong reject. We haven't tapped into equilibrium yet. The ES is about to stop out our imaginary trade. White Ferrari. That bullish SMT is still strong to me. But if that's the case, I want NQ to come and tap that equilibrium and then show signs of reversal back up. Then I'll be looking for longs on ES as a continuation trade. But if we don't, then I don't know. Look at that rejection kind of low. So 1 minute sign on ES. Is there any fair rally gaps? Yes, there is right there. That would give us about the same entry as before. If we get a closure up there. This is, I'd be more inclined to take this one compared to the other one. Question is, should I though? Look at that big rejection. Holy. Let me check the tilt. Oh, I haven't even opened Josh stuff, bro. Not looked in. This could be a retrace on NQ before shooting up lower. Shooting down lower. So what I'm gonna do is I'll wait until we either inverse this gap on NQ or close 0.786, close above that. Because I don't like how both pairs are showing completely different things. I'm gonna wait for more confirmations. Yes, it's going up on a Tuesday. Still have the whole day ahead of us. So far, we've only ranged between 56 to about 100 points. Yes. Let's see. NQ is about to tap into equilibrium. It just tapped. GS is shooting up higher. NQ is doing the same. Let's see how strong this closure will be. This could very well be retraced into before it go all the way down. Okay. There's a low there. So if we were to take this retrace out, short there. But I really don't like longing or shorting at this point because both pairs are just like, I don't know what they're doing, bro. You know it's bad when you have longs on one pair and then shorts on the other one. Doesn't make sense. I'm just gonna wait for that closure above 0.78, or if we inverse this gap. If you missed these longs today, you're a dumbass. That's all I was seeing yesterday, bro. Holy shit. I need to kill myself. In game. Oh wait, I'm not showing my charts. Okay. Let's see what's going on. On the 4 hour, we're looking still a bit bullish. Look at this shit though. NQ just wants to go lower. Maybe ES again that bigger retrace before. Plummets down. Yeah, maybe NQ is the leading one. But we did again inverse this gap. Bro, like I am hedged right now. I don't know where to look. Okay, we're about to get that closure on ES. I mean NQ. To the downside, out of equilibrium. This would be a nice trade idea. I want us to go a bit higher though. Filling that 5-minute fair value gap. Is that a 1-minute gap? The tiniest gap I've ever seen. No, that's not even a gap. Okay, ES is unsure of what he wants to do. I think we're gonna start shorting soon, bro. Again, these closures. And Q just wants to go short. I might have to listen to it. Should be 6 contracts on NQ. I'm hesitant. Hesitant. Should have entered, bro. Oh, I always do this shit, bro. Oh, but it's because ES is just doing his own shit, bro. That would have been a break-even point right there. It's back on my entry. I have to make sure I set the right things. 50, I think I will enter this short here. Stay go. Check my score. Like Ferrari. Let's delete this. Unless that was a manipulation, like. I hope it wasn't. A bit of a late entry because of that. Driving like this trade. Guess we shall find out. If we go below this leg again, I'm going to break even. That's the SAM. Realistically, I'd want to move now. To start now. Ugh. Where's my entry? It's at 2561. I can't see. 256. Am I stupid? 2564. Whoa, where's my other pair? What did I just do? Fuck. Oh. Okay, we're about to go break even. So take that low there. There we go. Break even. Okay, no longer any risk on the table. Oh. Okay. Let's make sure this is all right. Oh, we better get stopped out. Not too pump chomp. This is a bit of an ambitious target. I'm trying to make back the losses, you know. Two, 5, 6, 4, 1. 2, 5, 6, 4, 1. Yeah, okay, that's right. We're targeting 1,500, so it's down there. Is that right? Are we in equilibrium? Okay, yeah, we are. This could still be a retrace before I move up higher, so you have to be careful for that. Two, 5, 4, 3. Huh? It's 2, 5, 4, 5, 3. 2, 5. That's not right. 4. That's not right either. What? Am I retarded? I can't say that. Am I stupid? 2, 5, 4, 5, 3. Oh, 2, 5, 4, 5, 3. Fuck! Shit, yo, we're not going all the way down there, bro. How many points is that? That's almost 200 points, bro. God damn. I mean, we did make that move yesterday, so it's possible. Maybe I should move up to like 150. It's only one. yeah, 154. That way I have a winning trading day for once. Just let the rest run. Okay, I'm gonna go take a shit. I'll be back. 1 second. 50 profit. First fucking green day for once. Hallelujah. And I'm glad I got out in between equilibrium and premium. Because that could have been a good reverse point for them. So yeah, oof. Some profit. Hallelujah. Tomorrow we start climbing back up. Or next week. Shall see. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.